hose advisory service program is something we offer through our field engineering services, and can be a valuable asset when planning your hose systems for replacement and maintaining those applications that are critical to their plants.
Having the hose cell here locally is just going to be a huge benefit to support our hose advisory services, to support our customers, and it's just a piece of that triangle.
It's a technical piece that we can deliver to our customers so that they have not only the proper hose, but proper installation techniques that can be relayed to that customer so that it extends the life of the hose, longer uptime, and more reliable system and safer systems.
Hoses are such that customers have a ton of them on their site. Managing those hoses is really a daunting task. From my experience, the customers that take advantage of that service, overall they have a safer work environment. Safety is key. And then you see some business aspects from lower cost.
An example of that would be a customer that we have here in southern Colorado that used our hose advisory service to upgrade their hose systems. They were losing a lot of money due to downtime, down machinery, losing manufacturing time. We went in with the hose advisory service. We identified the proper hose for their application, and they're seeing a large gain in manufacturing uptime.
That's where we want to be with our customers, is to support their business and make logical decisions.